Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now, let's starting off with the commodities market updates. The overnight soybean oil January month dropped 0.32 to close lower at 41.42. Dalian active farmer contracts dropped 12 points to close lower at 10212. So on the previous night sessions, over in Malaysia, the crude palm oil futures declined on Monday, breaking a 5 sessions winning streak due to the weak crude oil prices in the Dalian and Chicago markets, along with the drop in November export figure. The FCPO February month contracts dropped 65 points to close lower at 4955. In the daily charts, the pump price recently broke up from an upward channels. And latest, we see the price is entering into a sideways consolidation phase if we're looking closer to the short-term time frame hourly charts. At the top of the range, we sit at 5040 to 5035, while the bottom is spotted at 4930 to 4925. It is likely if the price will likely to remain trading within this range. So the latest, if the price continue to face resistance at 5010 to 5015, which is the immediate resistance, then we might see the selling to take place over these areas and continue the sideways consolidations towards the first support at 4980 to 85 range. Further down, we could see 4955 to 4960. Otherwise, if breaking here, then we might see the price to trade further higher towards the top of the range again. So for morning sessions, our calls for CPO market will be short position, maybe open below 5010 with the target to set at 4981 to 4959 and a stop loss at 5030. Alternatively, long position may be open above 5010 with the target to set at 5033 to 5054 and a stop loss to set at 4990. And next, we're shifting our focus to the index market. Overnight, the Dow Jones dropped 128 points to close lower at 44782. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 closed record high on Monday, driven by the tech-related stock following a strong gain in November, as investors anticipate the key economic data, including Friday's monthly job reports. Meanwhile, the Dow ended the day lower. Total both the Dow and S&P 500 posted their largest monthly percentage gain in the year on Friday. The FPM gave out most of its early gains as the investor swiftly took profit amid the rising external uncertainties on Monday sessions. Meanwhile, the plantation stock continued their rally, driven by the ongoing upward trend in the crude palm oil price. The FKI December month on yesterday's sessions rose 6 points to close higher at 1601. In the daily charts, the FKI remained trading within a downward channels. It is hovering at the middle of the range, and so here's it's remain in a very crucial range whether the price will continue to going up to complete the downward channels, or it will be coming down to further downside. On the yesterday sessions, in short-term time frame hourly charts, we spotted the sideways consolidation with the resistance to look at 1607 to 08, and the index continue to face a resistance at this range, which is the top of the consolidations, and the index could trading further lower if it failed to support at the middle of the range, which is 1601 to 1599 range. Well, the first resistance to watch will be 1603 to 1604. This price, if able to support, then we might see further higher. If it unable to support, we may see the lowest, the index to trading lowest. So here's our view for the morning session. As we wrap up the analysis, keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Just keep in mind that everyone's perspective is subjective and the views presented here are for the reference. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.